Another example, we'll look at this example, construct the truth table for P, disjunction, negation Q, conjunction R. So it means our truth table will now be in this form. P, Q, R, will have negation Q. Amen? Okay? We'll also have P, disjunction, negation Q. And last but not the least, we'll have P, disjunction, negation Q, conjunction R. Amen? Okay? So, because of we have three variables, P, Q, R. So, we are going to have T, 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 F, 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 F. Amen? Okay. Now the Q will now be 2, 2. T, T, F, F, T, T, F, F. Amen? Do you understand? And our arrow will now be T, T, F, T, F, T, F, T, F. Amen? Okay? So if you agree with me, let's look for negation of Q. Negation of Q is, you know that we have our Q here. So we have here T, T, F, F, T, T, F, F. So negation of true is T, is F. Negation of true, false, F. Negation of false, true, T. Negation of false, true. Negation of true, F. Negation of true, F. Negation of false, true. Negation of false, true. Are you following? Okay? So if you agree with me, let us find this guy, P, disjunction, negation, Q. Are you following? Okay? So before we can find this guy, let me take you to one of the theories that concerning disjunction. Look at it here. It states that the disjunction of two statements is considered false when both statements are false and true otherwise. Amen? So now we are dealing with this guy and this guy. Is that clear? So P disjunction negation F. T, F, T, true. T, F, true. T, T, true. T, T, true. F, F, F. F, F, F. F, T, true. F, T, true. Why? I know some of you may ask, most especially the Malians. You may ask why true, F, true. I said, look at this, listen to this statement. The disjunction of two statements is considered false when both statements are false. Do you understand? When both statements are false, it implies that this is statement 1, this is statement 2. You discover that the first statement here is true and it is not false. And the second statement here is false. It means P P disjunction negation Q here will be what? True. It will only be false when the two statements are false. Look at this one. If you can see what I'm saying, look at it. You discover that statement, P statement here is false. And the second statement, Q, here is false. So P disjunction negation Q will give you false. Do you understand? Okay. So now let's consider this guy. P disjunction negation Q, close brackets, conjunction R. It means we are going to look at it. We are going to look at this and this. Is that clear? These two statements. Amen? Okay? Now, before we look at this, let me take you guys to one of the theorem stated here. Look at it. The conjunction of two statements is considered to be true when both, sorry, I have two both here, please. When both statements are true and false otherwise. Amen? Okay? So let's look at it. This guy and this guy, that is what we want to look at. Arrow and P disjunction negation Q. That is what we want to look at. So now, P disjunction negation Q conjunction R. Look at it here. We have here the first statement, which is this one, is true. Amen? And our second statement here too is true. Do you understand? It implies that here will be what? True, according to the theorem. Then, look at the first statement here, true. The second statement, R here, is false. So it implies that it's going to be false. True or false? Okay? So here will be false. Look at the first statement here, true. Look at the second statement here, true. It means it's going to be true. Okay? Look at the first statement here, true. Look at the second statement, false. It's going to be what? False, right? Look at the first statement here, false. Look at the second statement here, true. It's going to be false. Look at the first statement here, look at it here, and look at the second statement, which is this, R. False here, is going to be false. Look at the first statement here, true. The second statement too is true. It means it's going to be true. Look at the first statement here, true. Our second statement, which is what? This, R, false. So it's going to be false. Do you understand? Any question? This is how to solve problems of this kind. Is that clear? Thank you.